let's talk about becoming wealthy. What is the quintessential thing you need to do to become wealthy? Or rich, as many people call it. Multiple income streams. Multiple income streams is what you need to invest in. Here at RSP, we will guide you in your process. It's going to be a journey, step by step, which we will guide you through. Start your journey today to be financially independent and eventually become wealthy. Can you imagine just being able to travel the world, exotic places, the best restaurants, the best hotels, anything that you can wish for, you can easily afford. That's being wealthy. And having that perpetual income just coming into your life without you having to sit and grind for it every day. Imagine this if you would. Being on a luxury holiday right now, while everybody else is grinding their 9 to 5. My contact details are on the screen. Start your journey today.